Welcome to Managed Returns. Before we can file taxes on your behalf, you need to set up your tax returns and complete a funding power of attorney. Then, you need to submit your return settings for our compliance team to review. Let's start with setting up tax returns. You need to set up returns in all of the places where you told us you're registered to collect and report tax. Select the state or region you want to set up first. Then, choose the tax returns you want us to file. If you don't know which returns you need to file, answer questions about your company, and we'll recommend the tax returns that you're most likely required to file. The more information you give us, the better we can guide you. You may need to set up more than one tax return in each state or region. Next, add your filing information. You need to complete this process for each return you want us to file on your behalf. You can always set up additional returns at a later time. In addition to setting up your tax returns, you need to complete a funding power of attorney. This form allows us to act on your behalf with tax authorities. You need to complete it before we can file your tax returns or make payments on your behalf. It must be signed by someone at your company who's authorized to make withdrawals from your bank account. After you've set up all of the returns that you want us to file and completed the funding power of attorney, you need to submit your return settings for our compliance team to review. You must submit your return settings by the 20th of the month prior to the month you want us to start filing. For example, if you submit your settings by October 20th, we can file your returns for the October filing period before they're due in November. If our compliance team finds any issues during our review, we'll send you an email that asks for the missing information. Otherwise, be on the lookout for an email announcing that we're ready to begin filing on your behalf.